guys, it's Cheyenne and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about my job. So if you don't already know, I am a dental assistant. I have been one for about 5 years and I just wanted to make a quick little video talking about the pros and cons of being a dental assistant. Just like every job, there's pros, there's cons to it. So let's get started. Pro number one is not a lot of schooling. All programs are different. The program that I went into did require you to have an associate's degree. So it did take me 2 years to do that. And then it was a year for the actual dental assisting program. And not really a full year. I believe it was just 9 months. Second pro is you make fairly decent money for the amount of schooling that you do go through. And there's also always room for growth as a dental assistant. There's lots of certifications you can get. You can always expand your knowledge and be a more valued dental assistant. When you go through school, depending on your program, I only left with my dental assisting certificate, but you can then become an expanded functions dental assistant. So you can do more procedures, you can help the dentist more. I have other certifications as well. I can do soft relines on dentures. I can do sealants on children. And then I also have my instructor permit. So I can teach sealants and soft relines to other assistants and get them certified. So there is a lot of certifications you can get to help you get paid more. Also, as you become more experienced, you will get paid more in the dental assisting field. Another pro would be that there's always a job. I mean, dental assistants, if you look through like the newspapers or Craigslist or whatever you look for jobs, people are always looking for dental assistants. There's always a need for them, you know, especially with the insurance and stuff now. It's very easy to find a job as a dental assistant. Another pro would be, you know, hours. A lot of dental offices, you can get away with just working 3 days a week. A lot of times they're not open on the weekends if you work for a private practice. I work 10-hour shifts, so I usually work 4 10-hour shifts, and then I have 3-day weekends. You know, that's always a pro because it's nice to get that extra day off. It's nice to get your hours over and done with. There are a lot of assistants that only work part-time because they're able to do that because the pay is pretty decent, and you know, a lot of dental offices aren't open 7 days a week. So some are only open Monday through Thursday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Another pro too is if you don't just want to be, you know, a general dentist assistant, there's other fields you can get into. If things get boring, you can always go to ortho. You could go to oral surgery. You could go to perio. There's lots of different fields in dentistry. You can go work with someone that does implants, facial reconstruction. Like there's tons of things that you could go do. They all require a little bit of different certifications, but as long as you're willing to learn and, you know, get those certifications, then there's a lot of opportunities. You get to wear scrubs. Scrubs are super comfortable. I love wearing scrubs. It's very easy to throw them on in the morning, get ready and go. It's just very simple. Another pro of being a dental assistant is helping people. It's a great job for that. People care a lot about their teeth and about their smile, and to make someone have a great smile, you know, it's exciting and it makes me feel very good about myself. I had a patient the other day come in and he asked me to take a before picture, and it like broke my heart because he was like, can you take a before picture? And he's like, and you make sure you take an after picture because he's actually getting dentures and he just wanted to see his smile before and after, and he was super excited about it. That type of stuff is, you know, it's great. I love helping people and making them have a good experience. It's always sad to have patients come in and they are scared of the dentist or had a bad experience. You know, I always want to make them feel like they didn't get the proper treatment. You know, you shouldn't be scared of the dentist. And it's just a great feeling to help them. All right, let's get into cons. There are some cons, definitely. It's hard work. I mean, you're working your tush off. You're doing all the dirty work. You clean the rooms, you set them up, you assist the dentist, you are doing sterile, you're cleaning the instruments, you are cleaning the operatories and the offices, and you're doing chart notes, and I mean, you're responsible for a lot of stuff. which I love. I'm a very clean person, but some people, you know, it is a lot, and some people get into it and they don't expect, they kind of think that it's just handing the doctor things, and there's a lot more to it than that. You're doing a lot of the work. Also, another con is it's tough work. I mean, a lot of people in the industry get carpal tunnel. A lot of dentists, hygienists, assistants. I've actually met 2 assistants that don't do dentistry anymore or assist anymore because they have carpal tunnel. Just the way you're holding, you know, instruments all day, or the suctions, you're constantly using your hands. A lot of people have upper back and shoulder issues or neck issues because of their posture. You're constantly hunched over. In my office, we do have chairs we can sit in, but honestly, it's easier to see sometimes if you're standing. So during your procedure, you know, you're doing fillings or extractions, I'm standing like this usually for most of the time, holding the suction, holding the air water, and then I'm hunched over. So it's tough. It's tough on your body. Another con is it does take a little bit to find your office. Sometimes, you know, you work with a dentist, you're so close to these people that you work with because you work directly next to them and you're in rooms with them for long periods of time. You know, it takes a little bit to find a dentist that you click with, or a team that you click with. I've worked at a few offices, and there's others that I liked more than other ones, and it's just clicking with people. I mean, you spend a lot of time with them and there's a lot of one-on-one interaction. So it's like sitting next to somebody all day. So all in all, I love being a dental assistant. It works perfect for my personality. I'm very organized, I'm very clean. I like to follow a schedule. And I love to learn, and I'm constantly learning new things. I'm constantly trying to get new certifications as my state regulations change. And I really enjoy it. I love making people happy and feel good about themselves. I love the patient interaction. So overall, I would definitely recommend being a dental assistant. I do think though, you know, I started dental assisting when I was, let's see, I'm 28 now, so I think I was like 23. I've been dental assisting about 5 years. I do think, you know, when I'm 50, 60, I'm gonna be having some probably back issues and shoulder issues. I already try to get massaged and stuff regularly because the neck and the shoulders is so tight and stiff, but I really do love my job. I enjoy going to my job, and yeah, if you're interested in becoming a dental assistant, all states have different regulations, but I think it's a great job, and it's something that is always going to be needed, and overall, the dental field is a great field to get into. So good luck if you're thinking about becoming a dental assistant. It's a lot of fun, and scrubs are really comfy. So, all right guys, well, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you would like to. All right, bye guys.